Mumbai Ahmedabad bullet train. We have discussed this project earlier also, and I'm very happy to inform you that Gujarat, we have already acquired 86% of the land, and in next 1 month, the level in Gujarat will reach 95%, and therefore we have awarded the contract of 237 kilometer between Bapi and which is 47% of 508 kilometer. This contract has been recently awarded at the cost of 24,985 crore, and the 4 stations which is covered by this stretch is Bapi, Bilmora, Surat and Bharuch. The balance area in Gujarat, the Gujarat is also under process and will be awarded very soon, and thus the entire stretch in Gujarat, the contract will be available and the work will physically start. Maharashtra, the land acquisition is only 22%. We had a detailed meeting with the state government authorities, and they have assured that the land acquisition in Maharashtra will also be expedited, and based on the final status of the land acquisition, we will be processing the contract for stretch in Maharashtra also. Now, this work is certainly going to create lot of employment generation, the boost in demand of construction material and machinery, and the most important thing is that these contracts are being executed by Indian contractor, and there will be lot of skill development for developing the skill for Indian people to be able to construct high speed project for this project and also for the future project. So that is a very, very important thing, and the technology transfer to Indian companies and Indian institutions is integral part of this memorandum of understanding with Japanese authorities. So this project has taken shape. The physical work is going to start in this month only, and this project will progress. As I had mentioned earlier, all the designs and drawings of the entire Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor has been finalized. The contract for Gujarat stretch is in place, and we are closely monitoring, closely coordinating with Maharashtra state government, and as the land acquisition progresses, we will be processing the contract for the stretch in Maharashtra also.